In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Squarespace website. When people talk about resetting a Squarespace site, what they usually mean is wiping everything and starting over from scratch. On Squarespace, there isn't a one-click reset button. The only true way to reset your site is to delete the existing website and then create a brand new one. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through that full process step by step, and I'll also highlight a few things to consider before you commit. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main Squarespace home dashboard. This is the area where you can see and manage all of the sites connected to your account. From here, remember that we can't just reset the design. We're actually going to remove the entire site. That means all of your pages, content, and custom settings will be gone, and you'll be starting over with a fresh site, as if it were brand new. If there's anything you might want later, like text from an about page or images you've uploaded, now is a good time to copy that content into a document or download your files. When you're ready, look at the bottom left corner of your Squarespace dashboard. You'll see your profile icon. Click that to open your account view. This will take you to an overview of your sites rather than inside a specific site editor. In this account view, find the website you want to reset. To the right of that site's name, you'll see 3 dots, which usually indicate more options. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear with different actions you can take on that site. In that menu, choose the delete option. Squarespace will show you a confirmation message, because deleting a site is a permanent action and can't be undone. Carefully read the warning so you're sure you've selected the correct site. If you're absolutely certain, go ahead and click delete again to confirm. At this point, Squarespace will remove the site from your account and it will no longer appear in your list of websites. Now that the old site is gone, you can create a new one. From your account dashboard, click the option to create a new site, choose a template, and begin building from a completely clean slate. This fresh site is effectively your reset version, ready for new content, design, and structure.